Video going viral after this.
Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh God! Oh.
Nearly 20 people were swept away by a big wave crashed into onlookers standing behind a barrier along the southern California beach. A 30-foot wave crashed over the boardwalk later this evening, leaving 8 people injured. A powerful offshore storm is driving towering waves into the California coastline, triggering floods and urgent warnings from officials.
Oh my God!
National Weather Service said some parts of California coast will see high water and dangerous rip currents throughout the weekend as large waves keep rolling in. Coastal flood and high surf alert cover much of the west coast from US-Mexico border to southern Oregon this Friday. Here you can see a webcam footage of Ventura Beach, California.